How to fix Discord update failed. So this is a very easy tutorial, and all you have to do first is to simply check if your Discord is not functioning well or it's not updating. So the first thing to do is to simply go to your control panel and then go to System and Security. Now look for Windows Defender Firewall and then go to Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Tap this one and make sure that you turn off this private network settings and public network settings. Okay, so once you turn this one off, you just have to simply close or tap X. Now, the second thing to do is to go to Task Manager. Just type Task Manager on the search bar and then tap Open. Now, this is what it looks like, and what you're going to do here is to simply click Discord. I mean, if you see that Discord is running here, right click and then tap End Task. Or anything that is related to Discord here, you have to end it running. I mean, tap End Task. Also, this part here. So tap Discord, right click, and End Task. That's the second method. And then once you're done with this, you can exit Task Manager and then go to search menu. Okay, this time you have to open file location of Discord. Okay, type Discord, go to open file location, tap this one, right click, and then go to open file location again. Here you just have to right click this one, update, and then try to add any letter here and then press enter. It's easy as that. So once done, you can go back and try to open your Discord again. Okay, so again, go to your Discord folder. Okay, you can type Discord here. Go to app data, go to roaming, and then go to Discord, tap cache, and all you have to do is to simply select all, right click, and click delete. So you have to delete all the files here. And then once done, you can check if your Discord is functioning well now. If not, the last thing to do is to restart your computer. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.